Today we are going to perform practical number 1, that is conduct illumination assessment in workplace by using lux meter. The concept for this experiment is illumination measurement method and second illumination level at different locations. For example, workshop, laboratory, library and office. As the location and different workplace are changed, then the illumination level also change. So in this practical, we are going to see how the illumination measurement of illumination are done with the help of lux meter at the different workplace. So different workplace like workshop, laboratory, library and office or different types of lab. Depending upon the application, as we know, different level of illumination is required. So with the help of lux meter, we can measure illumination level at different places. Then see which resource required to perform this practical. So first lux meter specification digital and second different workplace. Then see this is the lux meter. In the left side a yellow box having a display is called lux meter. Over that 6 buttons are there. Red button is used for on and off that lux meter. Remaining 4 buttons are used for control integers of that reading and one button which is hold is used for to hold the reading which is shown on display. Then in the right side white circle in the black box which is called as light sensor. So this lux meter is used for measuring illumination level or intensity of lamp. When the intensity of light is fall on that sensor which sense the level of illumination and it converted into lux and display on lux meter. So we can easily get the level of illumination at different workplace. Then see this is the observation table in workplace. We can write various types of lab. First electrical and electronic measurement lab, then switchgear and protection lab, third electrical machine lab and fourth is the library. Then in major illumination we can write illumination at that particular workplace. Then we can take or measure illumination level at different workplace by using lux meter.
Then we can take or measure illumination level at different workplace by using lux meter. So first we can measure illumination level in electrical and electronic measurement lab. See, this is the lux meter, this is the power button and these 4 buttons are the integer button and this is the hold button. We can hold the value or reading which is shown on display. Okay, this is the sensor, see, which can sense the illumination. So illumination level in electrical and electronic measure lamp is 605 lux. Then we can take the second reading, that is we can measure the illumination level in switchgear and protection lab. See the illumination level in switchgear and protection lab which is 64 lux. Then we can take the third reading in machine lab, that is we can measure the illumination level in machine lab. See We can select this range. See the illumination level in machine lab, which is 215 into 10 lux. At last, we can measure the illumination level in library. See the illumination level in library, which is 37.5 lux. So in this way we can measure illumination level at different workplace by using the lux meter.
So we can write down this reading in observation table. See, the illumination level in electrical and electronic measurement lab is 605 lux. Then in switchgear and protection lab is 64 lux. Then electrical machine lab is 215 into 10 lux. And in library 37.5 lux. So in this way we can measure illumination level at different workplace by using the lux meter. So, the conclusion of this experiment, we conclude that there is a different illumination level is required according to different workplace. Also, we are able to know how to use the lux meter for illumination measurement purpose.